Most grill brushes use metal bristles that can break off and end up in your food, and some of them don't even clean the grill as it should. So that is why I came across this product while browsing on Amazon for solutions. I believe this one will be one of your go-to for your summer grilling adventures. This is the Grill Stripper, a bristle-free grill cleaner that uses steam and a heat-resistant cleaning pad instead of metal wires. Today, we're putting it to the test on a real dirty grill to see if it actually works, or if it's just another gadget that looks good in ads. The Grill Stripper takes a completely different approach to cleaning. Instead of scraping with wire bristles, it uses a heat-resistant aramid sponge. The idea is simple. Soak the sponge in water. Heat up the grill. Let the water create steam. Scrub away grease and carbon buildup. It also includes a stainless steel scraper on the front for stubborn spots. The biggest selling point is safety. No metal bristles means there's nothing that can break off and accidentally end up in your burgers or steaks. Right out of the box, the build quality feels solid. The handle is lightweight but sturdy. The sponge is much thicker than I expected and feels durable. I also like that the sponge is replaceable instead of having to throw away the entire tool. Before cleaning, take a look at these grates. We've got grease buildup, cooked-on residue, and carbon deposits from previous cooks. First step is getting the grill hot. Now the sponge has been soaked in water and we're ready to start. As soon as the wet sponge touches the hot grates, you can actually see steam being created. The steam helps loosen the buildup while the sponge scrubs the surface. One thing I immediately noticed is that it glides pretty smoothly across the grates. The scraper also helps break up the tougher spots. After a few passes, I'm already seeing a noticeable difference. The grates are looking much cleaner, and there's definitely less buildup than when we started. So is the Grill Stripper worth buying? If you're looking for a safer alternative to traditional wire grill brushes, I think it's definitely worth considering. The steam cleaning concept actually works, it's easy to use, and it does a good job removing grease and residue without worrying about loose metal bristles. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below. Now I want to hear from you. Would you replace your traditional grill brush with something like this, or are you sticking with what you've always used? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review and want more real-world product tests with no fluff, make sure you subscribe because I've got more gadgets and tools coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.